I am Dr. Surekha Tiwari. I'm a practicing homeopath and a counselor in the city of Bangalore for the last 20 years now. I have two clinics, one in HSR layout and the other is in ACS layout. Children love to explore and children learn by exploring. We think that sitting in a class, teaching them, and that to small kids, is not going to work. So the first thing I would say is before we put any labels to a child, hyperactive, attention deficit, ADHD, or any of these things, please do first try and observe your child. Is the child simply curious? And his curiosity is not letting him rest? Is he simply trying to explore his surroundings? So maybe you and I can help those children explore those areas. And when they explore, they learn. Now, having said this, there is a spectrum in children in which they are hyperactive. Hyperactivity which is unexplained, hyperactivity which is untameable, and hyperactivity which becomes destructive. These are the three areas in which the parents would require some medical assistance as well as a lot of schooling assistance. When I say schooling assistance, then there are lots of bodies which are called special educators, which help you deal with these kind of issues. They always also give parents some kind of a toolkit in which the parent can do something on how to bring it. As far as homeopathy is concerned, this is an area in which, without individualizing a case, without really going into the details of the child's behavior, and also looking at the history of the pregnancy as well as the birth, the formative years, one medicine cannot work. It has to be a proper history taking. But still, medicines which can help you in these cases like are the biochemical salts. Especially if you've had a child who's extremely agitated or it's all the time wrestling around, maybe calcarea phos can help. Given 4 times a day, we see that the general metabolic needs of the child are met and the child does behave better. There have been instances where we've seen that. In the second medicine, screaming, shouting child, there's a medicine called chamomilla. Now, there's a saying in homeopathy, a quiet child cannot ever be a chamomilla child. Chamomilla is one medicine which you can use. You may want to explore it with your doctor. You may want to actually explore the medicines itself and find out this. But still, go to your doctor and give the entire history. And there is help available in this field, in homeopathy.